little boys and their dogs. Actually, old boy, big boy, my husband. He's 63 years old. He's out in this pouring down rain. We have flash flood warning for today. And he's outside with the dog. Oh, she's doing her business. Uh-oh. Doodle pie. Ooh, doody pie. But he's having a wonderful time in the rain water. The rain finally slowed down. We had some downpours going on though. Oh, she's not done. Poor girl. She just had spaying on Wednesday and it's Saturday, so she's doing so good, immaculately actually, for just going through spaying, having stitches and everything. There goes the big guy. Yeah, she has some over there. I see it. Mud puddles everywhere in our yard. We're not in a flood zone, but we do have a Center Creek behind us, just one of the little runoffs from it. So our land is lower. So we get water. Look at all that. What we don't do for our dog, she's already like family. We only have her about 5 months. Well, she was 8 weeks old when we brought her home. And she'll be 7 months old. November 6th. There she is, our girl, Abby. And the guy that owns her. A man and his dog. A dog is a man's best friend. And diamonds are a girl's best friend. Not really. I like food more.